Prepare to be transported to a realm of awe and wonder as we embark on a mind-bending journey through 10 places on Earth that look like they are in space. In this captivating exploration, we'll witness landscapes that defy reality, where the boundaries between our planet and the cosmos blur into a mesmerizing tapestry. Brace yourself for a cosmic adventure that will leave you in awe of the sheer wonder and diversity of our remarkable world. For years, humans have fantasized about voyaging to distant worlds. Soon we will be traveling back to Earth's nearest neighbor with the upcoming crewed Artemis 2 mission around the moon. And NASA aims to use the Artemis program as a stepping stone toward Mars, where the agency wants to send astronauts in the late 2030s or early 2040s. Luckily for most of us, Earth offers some truly awe-inspiring places to visit that will make you feel like you've just set foot on another planet. You don't need a spacecraft and millions of dollars to have an otherworldly experience, just your passport and a plane ticket. Here are 10 places on Earth that look like they are out in space. 1. Grand Prismatic Spring, Yellowstone National Park. The Grand Prismatic Spring is the most photographed thermal feature in Yellowstone National Park, according to adventure publisher Outside. According to the U.S. National Park Service, the ring of vivid colors measures 200 to 300 feet, 60 to 90 meters, in diameter and 121 feet, 36 meters, deep. It's no wonder this striking spring is so popular with photographers and tourists alike. The superheated spring is also a sought-after location for microscopic organisms known as thermophiles, which thrive in hot environments. Thermo means heat and phile means lover. The hardiest of the thermophiles that live in the hottest water is colorless or yellow, whereas the orange, brown, and green thermophiles live in the not-so-hot waters around the edge of the spring. 2. Wadi Rum, Jordan. Wadi Rum is a desert covering 277 square miles, 717 square kilometers, located in South Jordan, according to the travel website wadirum.jo. While exploring the dramatic wilderness, you'd be forgiven for thinking you've just set foot on Mars. With wide sandy valleys over a mile, 1,700 meters, high, smooth red dunes, and mesmerizing rock formations, Wadi Rum is a wondrous place. British liaison officer Thomas Edward Lawrence served with rebel forces during the Arab revolt against the Ottoman Turks in the early 20th century. He described Wadi Rum as vast, echoing, and godlike, according to the travel website Wadi Rum Nomads. 3. Vatnajökull Glacier, Iceland. Vatnajökull Glacier is the second largest glacier in Europe. It covers 3,130 square miles, 8,100 square kilometers, 8% of Iceland's landmass, according to the travel website Guide to Iceland. The monumental glacier is over 3,000 feet, 900 meters, deep in some places, and conceals several active volcanoes below its surface, the most famous being Grimsvön, Reyfjallajökull, and Burdarbunga. Geologists believe volcanic eruptions from this region are overdue and that we could therefore see significant activity within the next 50 years. 4. Waitomo Gel of WGORM Caves, New Zealand. If you fancy swapping a night under the stars for a different kind of light show, New Zealand's famous glowworm caves may be just the ticket. According to NewZealand.com, the Waitomo Caves offer some of the best glowworm sites in the country. Take a trip through the Waitomo Caves either by boat, kayak, or on foot and gaze up at the thousands of glowworms that call these caves home. The unique environment looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, with strange creatures illuminating the way like a star-studded sky. Glowworms produce light via a chemical reaction in a process known as bioluminescence, according to the Natural History Museum in London. 5. Salar Salt of Ladies, Bolivia. The Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia is the largest salt flat in the world, spanning over 3,800 square miles, 10,000 square km, according to the European Space Agency. The colossal salt flat is so large it can be seen from space. The salt flat can reach depths of 32 feet, 10 meters, in its center. According to the travel website salardeuyuni.com, Salar de Uyuni contains over 10 billion tons of salt. Interestingly, 70% of the world's lithium reserves are also found beneath the monumental salt flat. These alluring salt flats in Bolivia's surreal Altiplano are a must-visit for those eager to experience something extraordinary. 6. Hesosusvlei Nainib Desert. The towering red dunes in Sossusvlei are some of the tallest in the world, reaching nearly 1,300 feet, 400 meters, according to the travel website Sossusvlei. It's no surprise that they're one of the most visited attractions in Namibia. The Martian-like environment is situated in the largest conservation area in Africa, the Namib National Park. The word Sossusvlei translates to dead end and refers to the dunes preventing the Stachab River from flowing any further. It has taken millions of years for the wind to sculpt these famous red dunes. The dune-forming dust comes from the Orange River, the longest river in South Africa. The dust flows into the Atlantic Ocean, where the Benguela Current carries it northward. It then washes ashore, is carried by the wind and deposited inland. 7. Lake Hellier, Australia. Lake Hellier, located on Middle Island, Western Australia, definitely looks like it belongs on another planet. The stark contrast between the pink lake, the dark blue waters of the Indian Ocean, and the luscious green forest is remarkable. According to the travel website Hellier Lake, scientists are not 100% sure how the lake gets its rosy pink hue. The most likely suspect is the Dunaliella salina microalga found in the lake, which produce carotenoids, a red pigment, but halophilic, salt-loving bacteria in the salt crusts may also play a role. It has also been suggested that a reaction between the salt and sodium bicarbonate could be altering the color of the lake. 8. Lençóis National Park, Brazil. Lençóis Maranhenses National Park contains vast swaths of white dunes sweeping across the otherworldly landscape. According to the travel website Lonely Planet, from May to September, rainwater fills the crystal-clear pools, which are offset by striking white dunes. The enchanting runescape stretches over 43 miles, 70 kilometers, along the coast and over 30 miles, 50 kilometers, inland. Lençóis translates as bed sheets in Portuguese and refers to the rolling white dunes that dominate the landscape. 9. Danakil Depression, Ethiopia. The Danakil Depression, Ethiopia, is one of the most inhospitable and alien places on Earth. Known as the Gateway to Hell, according to the BBC, the Danakil Depression is probably the closest you'll ever be able to come to standing on the surface of Venus without the crushing atmosphere, of course. Choking sulfuric acid and chlorine gases fill the air, while acid ponds and geysers pepper the landscape. According to the BBC, temperatures in this region regularly reach 113 degrees Fahrenheit, 45 degrees Celsius, making it one of the hottest places on Earth. 10. Kilauea Volcano, Hawaii. On the south coast of the Big Island of Hawaii, lava from the Kilauea volcano spews into the Pacific Ocean, creating striking scenes along the rugged coastline. Kilauea is one of the most active volcanoes in the world, according to the travel website Go Hawaii. It is located in the Hawaii Volcanoes National Park, about 45 miles, 72 kilometers, southwest of the vibrant town of Hilo. According to the volcano tourism website Volcano Discovery, Kilauea has been continually erupting since 1983. During that time, lava flows from the volcano have covered more than 38 square miles, 100 square km, and destroyed almost 200 homes. As we reach the breathtaking conclusion of 10 places on Earth that look like they are in space, we are left awestruck by the remarkable beauty and otherworldly landscapes that exist right here on our planet. From ethereal caves adorned with glowing bioluminescent organisms to mesmerizing salt flats that reflect the sky like a mirror, these earthly locations transport us to realms that seem straight out of a science fiction movie. If you found our video informative, kindly subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on our videos.